The new AI SDK is available in OpenMetadata version 1.12. As part of that release, we have a Python MCP integration that lets you interact with LangChain, OpenA, and the like in a more ergonomic way. All of this is available in the Metadata AI SDK on GitHub. If you take a look at the cookbooks we have, for example, this MCP impact analysis leverages that. Looking at this sample Python script, it's built on top of LangChain. You would define and build out how this agent needs to behave, and as you can see, we connect to a specific server, use the OpenMetadata SDK to interact with some of these MCP tools from OpenMetadata, and pass those tools into the agent, allowing you to easily take advantage of the knowledge in OpenMetadata from your own tools using semantic intelligence. All part of the AI Studio and AI integrations that are now available. Come try it for yourself.